What is ethical AI? Ethical AI refers to the principles, frameworks, and practices ensuring that AI systems are developed and deployed in ways that are fair, transparent, accountable, and beneficial to society. In the next few minutes, we will explore what ethical AI requires in practice. Let us get started. Let us start by defining ethical AI and what it covers. Ethical AI is essential for modern professionals. Ethical AI translates abstract values, fairness, beneficence, non-maleficence, autonomy, justice, into concrete design and governance requirements throughout the AI development lifecycle. Fairness in AI requires actively testing and mitigating discriminatory outcomes, not merely assuming that technical objectivity produces equitable results. Transparency requires that AI systems can explain their decisions to those they affect, that the existence of AI decision-making is disclosed, and that governance processes are open to scrutiny. Accountability requires clear assignment of responsibility for AI system outcomes, including who is responsible when AI causes harm, a question regulators and courts are increasingly addressing. Beneficial AI requires assessing positive and negative societal impacts before deployment, ensuring systems are designed to promote human well-being and prevent harm to vulnerable populations. For key terms, define ethical AI. AI fairness is not a single property, but a family of mathematical definitions: demographic parity, equal opportunity, individual fairness, that can conflict, requiring deliberate selection based on context and values. Accountability for AI differs from accountability for traditional software because AI learns from data and may produce outcomes its designers did not intend, requiring governance frameworks that address emergent behavior. Transparency has multiple dimensions: technical transparency about how the AI works, process transparency about how it was built, and decision transparency about why it produced a specific output. Non-maleficence in AI requires identifying potential harms proactively, not just reacting to harms that have already occurred. Impact assessment before deployment is the practical implementation of this principle. Now let us walk through how ethical AI works in practice. Implementing ethical AI follows a structured approach. Applying an ethical framework from the start of development prevents the costly retrofitting of ethical requirements after technical design decisions have already constrained what is possible. Stakeholder analysis for AI ethics extends beyond users to people affected by AI decisions who have no direct relationship with the deploying organization, requiring deliberate effort to identify and engage them. Fairness testing must cover the specific demographic groups relevant to the application domain. Credit AI must test across race and gender. Healthcare AI must test across age, ethnicity, and socioeconomic status. Transparency measures include external disclosures to affected individuals, internal documentation for governance, and technical explainability tools that support human oversight of AI decisions. Accountability structures designate AI owners, establish review processes, and create clear pathways for reporting AI harms, making governance real rather than aspirational. The ethical AI lifecycle flows through these key stages. Ethical requirements. Let us explore why ethical AI delivers essential value. A well-implemented ethical AI approach delivers measurable benefits. Reducing harm and liability through ethical AI design is both a moral obligation and a business necessity. AI bias incidents, discrimination lawsuits, and regulatory penalties are increasingly costly outcomes that ethical governance prevents. The EU AI Act, OECD AI principles, and sector-specific regulations operationalize ethical AI as legal obligation, making ethical AI compliance a regulatory requirement rather than an optional commitment. Customer trust in AI depends on demonstrable fairness and transparency. Organizations that can show their AI makes fair decisions and explain how it reached them build lasting competitive advantage. Procurement requirements for ethical AI governance are proliferating in healthcare, finance, and government contracting, making demonstrated ethical AI a commercial prerequisite in regulated markets. Let us compare what happens without versus with ethical AI. Without ethical AI, systems optimize for technical performance while producing discriminatory outcomes, lacking transparency, and leaving accountability gaps that regulators and courts are filling with liability. With ethical AI, fairness is tested before deployment, transparency enables meaningful oversight, accountability is clearly assigned, and harm prevention is built into governance frameworks. Let us bring together the essential points from our introduction to ethical AI. If you want to master ethical AI principles and build governance frameworks for responsible AI, our full Udemy course covers fairness, accountability, transparency, and regulatory compliance. Enroll today. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.